Hi there, my name is Abraham, or you can call me Tutor Abraham, and I'm glad you're here. I'm an English tutor with a passion for helping learners feel more confident and natural when they speak. I work with students from all over the world, beginners to advanced, and my focus is on real communication and progress at your own pace. In our classes, I like to keep things relaxed but focused. I listen closely, correct gently, and encourage you to speak as much as possible. I work on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation, but also have fun talking about things you care about. Outside of teaching, I enjoy drawing, playing the guitar, walking in nature, and learning new languages too. So I understand how exciting and challenging it can be to learn English. So whether you're shy or talkative, just starting out, or trying to polish your English, I'd love to help you on your journey. Come say hi. I look forward to meeting you soon. Thanks for watching. See you in class. Bye bye.